Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. So, in today's this online education program session, we will begin with our second chapter. The second chapter is all about formulas and function in MS Excel 2016. Now, see what are the focus of this chapter. That is, what are the points that we are going to cover in this chapter. A brief introduction about MS Excel. What are formulas? What is the concept of formulas? Elements of a formula. Understanding the cell range. Operators and their precedence. Creating formula. And last topic is about text formulas. Moving towards our first topic, that is introduction of MS Excel 2016. Now what is MS Excel 2016? Students, this MS Excel 2016 is a spreadsheet tool, or you can say a software which is capable of performing calculations or analysis of data, or you can say integrating all the information from all other resources and compiling it to give you a complete resource or complete set of information. By default, documents which are saved in MS Excel are having the extension of .xlsx. You can see here I have written .xlsx. Okay, so this is the extension of the MS Excel file. How will you start MS Excel? The next topic is about what are the steps you will follow to start MS Excel. Very simple steps. You just have to click on the start button, all programs, and just search for Microsoft Office. As soon as you will get Microsoft Office, it is having so many categories under it, like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You just need to search for Microsoft Excel and click on it, and this will launch the MS Excel 2016 screen, a green color screen. Okay. Now coming to the point, what is formula? Now students, you have studied in maths what is formula. A formula is what? Anything which gives you some basic idea about performing calculations, or you can say it is an equation which performs calculation. So same way in our Excel we have formulas which are what? They are the equations that perform calculation on values in your worksheet. Okay, or else you can say formula can be defined as an expression that can contain constant, cell reference, function, operators that lets us perform calculation. See students, I have given you one example over here. Simply you are adding 5 with 2 multiplied by 3 and it will give you the result 11. How? See, first step, we will multiply 2 and 3. The product will be 6, and when this 6 is added to 5, you will get the result as 11. I hope you understood. And the main point or main important characteristic regarding formula is that every formula in Excel begins with an equal to sign. For what? Equal to sign. So what happens as soon as you type equal to sign, Excel recognizes it that it is not a number entry. It is a formula. It makes it sure that now you are going to perform some calculation or you are going to find some result using an expression. Now there are different types of you can say elements of a formula. We will study one by one each one of them. See, a Excel element formula can be anything among all these or any one of them. What? Cell reference. Cell reference is what? Like you know, in Excel we give cell as reference A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. What are operators? Plus, minus, multiply, divide. All these are mathematical operators by which you want to perform some calculation in formula. Constants. Students, constant is a term which means the item or the value which is fixed, that is not changing throughout your calculation. And functions, some inbuilt functions are there in Excel. We will see one later on what are functions also. Coming to the point over here, you can see I have given you one example, is equals to. Now see, first what I am writing is equals to. Now this means that I am going to begin a formula. It is not any entry. मतलब नंबर एंट्री नहीं है, अभी एक फॉर्मूला स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इट इज, इक्वल टू 12 प्लस a1. अब यहाँ पे देखो 12 means it is a fixed number, so it means a constant value. 12 is a constant value plus a1. Plus is what, your mathematical operator. Okay, मतलब plus से हम क्या समझते हैं, addition. And a1, what does this a1 means? Any number or any entry which is present in a1. Now it can be any number like 4, 5, any number, anything can be there, that will be simply added to 12 and you will get the result in your Excel cell. Hope you understood what is this element of a formula. Now understanding the cell range. Students, when you select a continuous block of cell, see here in this figure I have shown you, this is Excel screenshot. I am selecting the cell from this A1 to C6. So I am forming a shape of rectangle. So it is a continuous block of cell. When the continuous block of cell is selected in Excel, it is known as cell range. It can be any cell range can be either horizontal, vertical, or in the shape of a square or rectangle. For example, is equals to sum a1 to a10. Now sum is equals to sum means is equals to, we are making a formula. Sum means we want the addition from where to where, a1 to a10. मतलब a1 से लेकर नीचे a10 तक की जो नंबर्स हैं उसका हमें एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है. This means a1 is to a10. Whenever we are writing any cell range in Excel, we always write in the format like this. Starting cell मतलब हमारा फर्स्ट सेल जहां से हमें रेंज बनानी है, देन अ कोलन साइन, एंड एंडिंग सेल कहां तक हमें रेंज बनानी है, it will be the ending cell. Okay, next comes the operators and their precedence. Students, operators means any mathematical operator by which we perform calculation, and operator precedence is the order in which the operators are executed. There is one rule how the operators are executed. You can see over here, first brackets are operated, then next comes the power. Okay, power sign is written like this in computer language. Next comes the multiplication or division, whichever comes first from the left, मतलब जो पहले आ जाएगा. And then addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from the left. Whichever comes first from the left means calculated first when they occur side by side. This will be more clear when we will see one example. See, I am giving you an example of this equation. Now what does this equation is? This sign means power. Power means raised to. 4 की पावर 2 यानी 4 का स्क्वायर. ओके, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 डिवाइड बाय 2 प्लस 13 माइनस 10 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 minus 3. Now what was the first part which we have to solve? We have to solve the brackets. So you can see I have solved the brackets first. 13 minus 10, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Now next part comes again solving these brackets. Again in brackets, what we will solve first? The multiplication sign or the division. There is no division, so we will solve first the multiplication sign. What will be this? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and when this 6 is added to 3, you get 9. So I have solved these 3 brackets over here by I am getting the answer as 9. Next part I am going to solve is this power function. 4 power 2. 4 की power 2 means 4 का square. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So what I have written here? 16. Now next step comes is of 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Now whichever comes first is very clear here. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या आ रहा है? Multiply. So we will solve multiply first. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and when you divide this 6 by 2 you get 3. Okay, and the answer will be 22. Next comes the types of formulas. Now students, there are two types of formulas, basic formulas and compound formulas. What is basic formula? This formula involve only one operator. Only one operator मतलब सिर्फ एक ही operator को involve करते हैं. And compound formulas are those formulas which involve more than one operator or which needs more than one operator to perform some calculation. We will take example like if you want to calculate the sum of numbers, you will simply use the plus operator. But if you want to find or calculate simple interest, whose formula is P into R into T divide by 100, which means principal multiply by rate multiply by time divide by 100. So you can see students, here we are using more than one operator. Multiplication is used 2 times and one divide operator is used. So this type of formula is known as compound formula, which is using more than one operator. But if we want to find the sum of any range or anything, we will simply use only one operator, that is plus. So it is basic formula. And again I am telling you, every formula begins with equal to sign. So we will see example of both the formulas one by one. See here, basic formula I am showing you, like this is the month January, February, and this is expenses of each month, like 1500, 2200, 1200 and so on. Now I want to find the total of all these expenses. So what I am doing, simply writing equal to, like my formula will begin with equal to sign, B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5, B6, B7 and so on. You can see here students, in the formula bar I have typed the formula. So I am using only one operator. But here in simple interest, I am using two operators and then finding the result. So this is the difference between basic formula and compound formula. The last topic of this session is text formula. When the operators which we are using do not work on any mathematical values, okay, they are working on the text value, then that type of formulas are known as text formulas. First we will understand what is the text value. A sequence of characters on which the mathematical operations cannot be performed, मतलब मैथ्स के ऑपरेशंस हम परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, देन दे आर नोन एज टेक्स्ट वैल्यू. एंड व्हाट टेक्स्ट वैल्यूज आर डन, हम उनको सिर्फ ऐड कर सकते हैं और लिंक, वी कैन सिंपली ऐड देम और लिंक देम, then this process is known as concatenation, and this is done using the symbol of ampersand. This symbol is done. For example, if I am typing Arnav and Singh and I want to join them, I am using this ampersand sign. One point is to be noted here, I am giving the space here with Arnav, so it will final, when I will press the enter key, I will get the space between Arnav and Singh, otherwise it will print directly Arnav Singh. So this is the main part to be understood, that if you want to give any space, then you need to put it within the double quotes. Okay, if you do not put a space over here and simply if I write Arnav, no space and then Singh, and in the middle this ampersand sign, it will give me Arnav Singh without any space. So this is the formulas, creating formulas, elements of formulas. Okay, in the next session we will learn about functions. Hope you understood what was the lesson.